Gekora kaka limobora tapani the governors are in the right place. Tapani asiro paro ma wadwa buon ose chiwo. Nikech the other sectors within the education, now from primary upward, secondary, tertiary institutions, they are a mess. It's a mess that the government has been battling with for the longest time. It will not make so much sense that, the little effort that the county government have made at the kindergarten level would want to be wrapped up and thrown into that mess. Kaponi governors have demonstrated, and as they have rightfully demonstrated, they are doing some impressive progress towards, giving integrity to kindergarten. Then there's no harm in just supporting them at that level. We see how far that can go. Like maybe it could be a good experiment to see if the county governance structure could be a good platform for education reforms. Instead of killing this small effort that has been made, then now we throw it into the rest of the mess that the state is clearly battling with. It's not just a problem of reform. Every reign seems to be having reform. They seem to be having ideas. Kwa donjo minister kwa team kama, and the education sector has been at the bulk of the receiving point. We are always doing experiments. Let us try this. Let us try this. Let us try this. Why can't we be more intentional about every set of idea that we inject into our education sector and be deliberate enough to push it to the very end before we try something else? But overall, I think kindergarten education is demonstrably doing well at the county levels, though there's still enough space for reforms, enough space for improvement, but we still need to leave it at the county governance level.
Ero kama na keno buon kaka jonate bendo rwako dwaro mago mag governors ka koro negi kwedo report mano motendre koda aput mabendo sibedo kanono lai mar somo pachuka.